Somehow you ended up in my website, innit? Right? How you doing, Paul? In this video, I want to, I'm gonna walk you through our platform so that you think if it's a good fit or not for your messaging campaigns, right? So you already have checked my pricing, right? You see and you know that our pricing is the best in the market. For 37 euros, you have 800 monthly invitations. For 97 euros, you have up to 10K monthly invitations that will be plus 1,000 euros with any other platform like HeyRich, Galaxy, Dripify, or any one of the other competitors. And you also have unlimited senders, right? And also centralized inbox, because we don't charge you like for the inbox. It doesn't make any sense. And then we also have the agency plans, but that's for the bosses. So let's continue with the video. So yeah, I know that you like our pricing, but I want you to like our platform. So once you go to our platform, you will see that there are like the LinkedIn accounts that you need to upload from your site. It could be your LinkedIn account, the LinkedIn account of your employees, of your SDRs, of your team, collaborators, SDRs, account setters, account executives, all these kind of people that are in sales or marketing, right? So to do this, it's pretty easy. Just link an account, email plus password, and you are ready to go. You just need to add a code that will be sent to your email or your phone, and that's it. You will be able to connect all the accounts at once. Perfect. Once we have connected our accounts, we need to set them up. First thing, let's add the time zone. We have multiple options. Then the day limit. We have here all the daily limits for messaging and invitations. We can also delete the pending invitation, and we can choose the time frames from which time to which time, and also the days. Perfect. Once we have our campaigns already set it up, we can go, our accounts, we can go to the campaigns. So you can see the concept. We have some campaigns that are operating for one account, and also some campaigns that are operating with multiple accounts. So let's create a demo campaign so I can show you. First step when we create a new campaign is to go to options and select the accounts. It will be for which account, for Joseph or WaLead, for which one. Then we need to set up the daily limits. For example, we can put like 60 and 60 every day, for example. Let's press on save. And then we need to add the leads. To add the leads, you have the first option is importing from Sales Navigator URL. Second option, manually. I hate it. Third option, CSV. Let's do it. I will show you an example. For example, this CSV, perfect. Let's upload the email. Check duplicates. Wow, a lot of duplicates in the CSV. And then we just need to wait 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. WaLead, I trust you. 1. That's my guy. Perfect. Amazing. So we have already uploaded our CSV in less than 10 seconds. Perfect. Once we have this, we can just go and let me 1 second. Normally we need to go to the demo panel, go to the sequence. We have our step 1 with our invitation, and then we will choose adding a second step that will be our message. For this, you can choose 1 day, 7 days, 10 days of delay, or 0 days. If you choose 0 days, it means that the day that the lead accepts your invitation, he will receive the first message. And now we can create hi first name. Hi first name. I saw your LinkedIn post and thought that, and you can put like your prospective message. You can also create A/B testing. For example, you can do another thing like hi sir, last name, something like this. And then you can create also a preview so you can see how it will look like. Here we go. Amazing. Okay, but we can also build more complex campaigns. For example, right now I have here a CSV form that basically is connected with Clyde. So Clyde will be adding leads to a CSV to the Google Sheet, and WaLead will be taking these leads from the Google Sheet to add them to the platform. I also have another Google Sheet that is working with Airbnb. So let's see how this works. For example, in case of the website visitors, we can see that we already have uploaded here some leads. How is this working? So if we come here, we can see that we have a Google Sheet that is like working with this campaign. This is because if I add a Google Sheet and I press import, I can go here and make it perpetual. So basically, this will basically with this toggle feature, our platform WaLead AI will be searching for new leads every 2 hours and adding them here. So with this, basically, you can put like thousands of different campaigns working with Zapier from multiple sources like Airbnb, Instantly, Clyde, and other things to get leads and import them directly to WaLead AI. In this case, we are taking basically leads from Airbnb, leads that like you that we know that have been in our website, and then we will send them this message. Basically, is hi, first name. We're testing out our newest WaLead integration. Feel free to reach out if you're interested in learning more, because we know that they have been in our website, right? Perfect. Then we can have, I will show you a more advanced campaign. For example, this one, we can see we have here the metrics. We also have, we can also see which people have like replied for the first invitation, for the first message, and also for the second message. We have here all the different response rates. Perfect. You can see that here there is something weird, like generic message. I will explain you in just 1 second. If we go to the sequence, for example, here, this is the message we have. Because, for example, for this campaign, we use Scrapely to download all the Instantly AIC followers, and we are telling them, so you hi first name, we saw you, follow Instantly. Same here, we are a big fan, right? So we are like Instantly for LinkedIn. It's called WaLead, blah 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 blah. So basically, it's another strategy to use our platform. You just need to use Capely, download a bunch of leads that are following your competitor or an alternative software, and bring them to your platform with a good prospecting message, right? So if we go to preview, we have the first message. If we go to the second message, we can preview it also. And here we go. Here we have a second message. You can preview it as many times as you want, right? Perfect. So the thing here is that imagine if you upload the CSV, the Google Sheets, and there is a problem. For example, a variable is missing. It could be first name, it could be company name, it could be anything, right? In this case, we have what we call the generic step message. If we click on it, right, you can see if we click on it, we can add a message without variables so that it gets sent whenever a lead has a missing variable, right? So, for example, in these campaigns, we are not using it because it's impossible to miss the first name because there is no way because our platform takes it automatically from LinkedIn when you upload the URL. But there is another kind of variables that could miss. For example, a complete message, right? I will show you. For example, if we take the clay integration from here, let's upload this database. For example, imagine we create a campaign that is from clay to WaLead AI, and we will make it perpetual. Let's go, leads, upload, Google Sheets, import, first name, email in the URL, blah, 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 custom variable, make it perpetual every 2 hours. Let's upload it. Amazing. We already have the leads, and you can see that here we have a LinkedIn message, right? Because we are taking it automatically from Clyde. So for this case, I just need to go, click on add step, and then only drop one variable that will be my custom variable. We'll click on save, and here we go. The message is displayed. That's because we have already created the message in Clyde, and we are sending it to Google Sheet and then uploading it to WaLead AI. So in this case, for example, imagine the variable is missing. So the generic step message will be really useful. Amazing. Perfect. What more are we offering in our platform? So if we go fast to the settings, we go to account, you will see that you can invite different people from your team so that they manage the software with you, or they just upload their LinkedIn accounts. We also have here a block list. You can upload a lot of leads to be blocked and never contacted from our platform. They could be like competitors, leads, already clients, or wherever, right? And we can also go to the billing thing. We can have here proxy. You can add your own proxies, but by default, our software will assign you a proxy. But you can change it if you want to one that you prefer, or anything. Perfect. Then we can go to the analytics panel. In the analytics panel, you can filter from different accounts, from different status. You can also filter from different time frames, and you will have here all the campaigns that are working at the moment, and also all the LinkedIn accounts with the different statistics, of course, like the acceptance rate. You can see that more or less in this case they are the same, or the response rate, that in my case, the one I have is higher. Perfect. And then we also have a Unibox. Is this one? For example, this guy wants a demo, right? It has been with the Mencias account, so we can just mark it here as interested, and we can also see the activities and also add like some variables if we want. And in the Unibox, you can also filter. You can filter from different campaigns, from different inboxes. You can also filter from different tags, and you can also filter to see just the unread messages. It is the Unibox. It's completely connected from LinkedIn. That means if you upload to our software 3 accounts or 10 accounts or 100 accounts, you don't need to access every day every account to answer the leads. All the messages from our campaign, if they are messages that have nothing to do with our software, the software won't track it. But all the messages that come from our software will be tracked and will go to this Unibox. So if you respond on LinkedIn, it will appear here, and if you appear here, and if you respond here, it will appear on LinkedIn. So it's like fully integrated. Perfect. And if we also go to the campaigns, we have here some other things. For example, you can go to the campaign and imagine, for example, if a teammate or a client is asking for some reports. We have here some fast screenshots and reports so that you can share with them. For example, this report, I don't know if you are seeing it. If not, we will add it back into the screen. And then we also have this image that it's pretty useful to be shared if you want, right? Perfect. So there are a lot of other stuffs. For example, our health score, that it's an algorithm that mimics the the behavior of the LinkedIn algorithms that detects if you're using an automation software or not. So basically, what our health score does, it mimics that LinkedIn algorithm, and then sees every day it takes, and it basically monitorizes like the LinkedIn thing, and then if it's doing good, it will leave it as it is going. But if not, it will lower the limit, or it can pause the LinkedIn account for 24 hours, 48 hours, 72 hours, or it can give you some advice. For example, you should pause the account, you should delete the pending invitation and all that. So with our health score, basically the ratio of banned account is zero. We have no banned account. Yeah, no user has never reported a banned account to us because our health score is pretty good. It detects everything, and basically, if you are not doing it correctly, your LinkedIn account will be paused from our software, so your LinkedIn account never gets detected or affected from LinkedIn, right? So I hope you'll really like this platform. I hope you will use it, get our 14-day free trial, and book a lot of demos with it, and then enjoy the pricing. So if you need anything, you can just write to our support or use the platform. And here we have a chat. We are 24/7 answering any kind of stuff, right? So welcome to our family. See you. Bye bye.